Good morning, guys. Welcome back again to the garden with me. Right now, guys, I have some gingers, guys. I have to clean them, and after that, I'm going to put them on 7 gallon. But oh my God, guys, I am so happy. I can't wait for them to push some flowers. For some reason, guys, those are the listen. I will show that. Will make another video to show you guys one of those lime ginger there, guys. Have little blue on it. I am so excited about that. But I got 9 gingers right there, and I got one more on my in my car. But guys, those are the lime. I am the lime queens. Oh my gosh. I've been babysitting them there for at least 3 days now. I think I'm going to clean them and put them back on 7 gallon. But I am so in love. In love with our gingers. I am so in love. I am so in love. I think I should marry the gingers. Oh my gosh. Hi gingers. Hi gingers. Hi gingers. Yes. Let me show you guys the state of them. Look at them. Burning leaves because they've been dry and they got broken branch right here. A lot of broken branch. I'm gonna go and clean them out. This one is not too bad, and this one is not too bad. This is bad, and this is one too. This is bad also, but not bad, not for me. I can save them, and I can save them. And I saw they have more gingers, guys, but I can't. What I'm doing now, till I finish taking care of those, and I'm not going out to get more gingers. But I have to finish, make sure I know those one are good first. Look at this. This is really not bad, but really bad. Lime eye gingers. Ugh. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I have 40 high gingers I purchased this spring season. I am so glad and so proud of myself. I pulled them over there. I'm gonna stick them there to see if I can put all of them there. But their plan, guys, is to that's all. Let me keep my secret. Thank you, friends, for watching. See you for another video in the garden with me. Have a blessed day.